Flashlight.
So you need a drill and a bad guy and a flashlight to open up your police monster truck?
Yes.
Oh, okay. All right, so what do we got?
A police monster truck.
A police monster truck.
Now the drill here.
Oh my gosh. Did you open it up? That drill did it.
Okay. Open.
Let's see what we got. So this is the Rapid Control Police Mini Monster Truck. It's a wireless remote control car and it says it lights up. So, does it work? Whoa. Hold it down. You pressing it down and whoa! Oh my gosh! Yeah, that was so fast!
I'm a bad guy.
Alright, press the buttons. Let's see what it does.
Ow.
Oh! Oh my gosh! It went under the bed.
Stop, bad guy.
Run, catch a thief.
Gotcha, bad guy.
Or chase a thief? I don't know.
Gotcha.
He got you, bad guy. So you don't have to use it as the remote. You can just use it as a monster truck. Get off my car. Woohoo! Mommy's got it now. This thing goes fast. This is awesome. I was worried that this was gonna be like too small or too big, but it's like, it's a good size. Like this is, yeah.
I got called.
That's like it fits in the palm of my
I got
hand.
called the
Great.
police. I got called the police and fire truck. Stop!
Never. Haha. I ran over that bad guy. Turn to the left. Turn to the left. Get out of the way, Paw Patrol.
No.
Get out of my way. Let me go.
Gotcha.
No, he told me. Let's see. Ah, escaped. Woohoo! Gone like the wind. He's super awesome.
Stolen.
You can't tow me. I'm too fast. I'll escape.
Nope. Told you. I got caught under pups. Tito.
I'm a police officer. Why do you want to catch me? I'm a good guy.
Forklift.
Ah, forklift's trying to get me too.
I'm now
I don't think so.
Gotcha.
Ah! Oh, you got me. Nope. No, you don't, sucker. Woohoo! Run, chase a thief.
No.
I don't think so.
Bang.
Boom. Ah. This is awesome. Do you like this awesome truck? You can put him in the back. Do you think he'll fit in the back of that truck?
Nope.
Let's see. He fits in there like he was made to be there. Look. Ah, you can't escape. Forward, backward. I can't do anything. Give me my remote back.
No.
He can't go anywhere. He's stuck. The back of that truck. Now he can get free. There he goes. Ready? Hit the backwards button.
Yes.
Down. Nope. Down. Nope. Down.
Hey, please escape.
Now go forward. Nope. Forward. Yeah.
I was gonna call the police.
He is the police. He's a police monster truck.
The police truck.
He is so cool. I really like him.
Stop, police monster.
What do you think? You like that one?
Do it.
I think it's pretty obvious.
Gotcha.
Whoa, you got it on that truck. Beep, beep.
Now you can escape. Oh.
He's too heavy to lift it. It won't lift up with him on it. It's too big.
You can get up.
Whoa.
Oh.
I can't believe it will carry him. Super cool.
Oh my gosh, we got Carmen dinosaur.
Mr. Dinosaur. Ah, dinosaur.
I got tiger and a white.